I was sent these serums. It's a 3-pack from Artnaturals, and I've been using them. You can use them individually or together, and it's great. You can use them morning or night. And so you do this before your moisturizer. As you can see, my skin is a bit reddish. Definitely, I have some fine lines. So these are great, and I'm gonna show you what each one does. I also have a collagen one, which I also use and sometimes kind of switch out. This one's hyaluronic, and it's hydrates. And so you can see it's clear. You just put a few drops in with the dropper. And I love that these are all natural. And you just rub this right in. You are gonna follow up with a moisturizer, but this one is super hydrating. And you can just put it everywhere, all over. I like to put it on my neck too. Okay, and the next one, this is the one I sometimes switch out for the collagen one, and this is the Retinol. This also is clear, and this is supposed to help also with glow and targeting fine lines and wrinkles. And these don't have a scent, pretty pure. And then the last one, this is the brightening one. And again, you can use these on their own or all together, and you can choose whether you want it on night or day or both. And that one goes on really clear. So if you're kind of confused, what your skincare routine should be, this is nice because it gives you a 3-step solution. And then you follow with your moisturizer, makeup, or if you're just going to bed, just a little moisturizer, and that's it. Wake up nice and hydrated, and this will hydrate your skin really all day long.